I'm going to discuss about topic called how to promote my website content using with the classifieds. Here, famous classified will be I'm using here. I give the list also. The famous one is called three. One is called Locanto, Viva Street, Backpage. The famous site will be called Locanto, Backpage, and Viva Street. So you can promote for the local wise and global wise also. See here, this is called Locanto.com. Nothing but universal. Locator.name will be called India. This is India. Showing flag for India. What is that? Locanto.net. See here, login and register. It's a one-time process. Just click for login with Google. So automatic login will be started. So select your email. Start your login. So sometimes they're asking for are you in India or maybe US. Always showing by the India here. So here, any post ads, you can check by here. What is that? My Locanto, my ads. So all the ads are there here. See this. This is my ad. See how many views here. 43,556. See here. This is a keyword. 667. Very rare search. SEO search in Madhapur. Now here. Top SEO companies in Hyderabad. 247. Very less search. The best digital marketing companies in Hyderabad. 21,583. So here I'm pasting this ad. First, what the option call is post a free ad. Here, two options will be there. Free there and premium also there. So here, first I'm clicking for post a free ad. First select your category. Service based or education or any kind of, what is that? Classes, communities, events. I'm clicking for classes. Here you're clicking for other classes. Click for proceed. So here I'm writing for here title best digital marketing training institute in Hyderabad. What is that? Best digital marketing training institute in Hyderabad. Now already I prepared the description here. This is my description. With my course content about the training. Just scroll on here along with my website link, my blog link, my YouTube link, everything. Just copy this one, paste by your content. Your content, few classified not accepted by the hyperlinks. Few will accept by the hyperlink. Hyperlink nothing but anchor text. So here, date. You accept by the only for 3 months. How many months? 3 months. Nothing but 30 days. March is the 15th. Again scheduled by the up to April, May and June 14th. How many months? 3 months. Now check. In others will be there weekdays. Not teaching. So here, Sunday. Specific weekend. Now what is that? Add image on your desktop. Just here. Then first I'm adding with the category. Second, my keyword title. Third will be description. Fourth will be ad. Will play for 3 months. That is called 90 days. Ad will be complete for 4 options will be there. 30 days, 90 days, 120 days. Only for 3 types. 30, 90 and 120 days. You will be give the date also. How many days will be active? Now check. These are 3 months. Scroll on here. What's that? Here. I'm adding with my mobile number. I'm adding with my website URL. Just second here. Blog URL. What's that? Post your ad. This ad will approved by the fraction of seconds. Now is a premium. Top ad. How much charge? 190. Now here. This is called gallery ad. From 190. These are the plans. Premium ad. Starting with the 95. For the click they charge. They give the plans here. If you click this one, they go to the plans. One is called image along with the ad. It's only for image ad. It's only for premium ad. Always showing by the tops. So no required. Click for Locanto. So we'll check the ad will be upload or not. We will check in email. And go to email here. My ad will be active. Yes or no? My ad. What is that? Best Digital Marketing Training Institute in Hyderabad. So same keyword. I should create my one more ad. Now post free ad. Select your category, other classes, proceed. Here. Digital Marketing Training Institute in Madhapur. Description. Date 15. Is running with only for 2 months. How many months? 2 months. Third month to 5th month. Now here we can select your image. So here one image, adding one more image. Look here. You can add the multiple image also. So how many image will accept here? 20 images. Just copy the blog URL. So I can promote the blog here using with classified and phone number. Here this is option call is Madhapur and she need for pin code number. Now click for post your ad. Same like we can promote for the back page, global free ads, and so many ads will be there. US Street, global US ads, global India ads. Is it clear? You're using same like Locanto. I give you the one more website here. Show the one more website without login in this one. The option is called without login. If you get any ad, just go to the down here. These are the all ads. Here. What's that? Post a free ad here. What option call is post a free ad now. Here, no need to log in for this option. No need to log in. Just scroll down. What the first one is category. Category nothing but education. Service you can select by the education. Education and learning. So select by the coaching classes. Now. Don't forget the category and subcategories. Digital marketing, training, institute in Hyderabad. So you all have prepare the content. Here one is option is there, advanced option. You can add your course fees also. Add your course fees also. Just scroll down here. See here. Add your location. India. Place. Hyderabad. Enter your name, email, and phone number. So I'm writing for email ID here. So use understand purpose. So writing for. So you can give by phone number also. Choose your image using with your desktop. Previous local accept by how many images? 20. Here how many images will accept? 4. Now here is a 36. Now post free ad. First check here. What are the subcategories there? Coaching classes. What is the main category? Education and learning. Coaching classes. Don't forget the category and subcategory. Why you can save capture by category and subcategory? I will tell you. Just look here. What is that? Post it free ad. Why? Because the ad will be without login. So my ad will be approved or not. How to check? I go to my category and my subcategory. See here. This is an image problem. Go here. So that they not ask for the PNG image. See here. For for posting without image. I'm posting for without image. You may accept by the GIF image and JPG and JPEG image. I'm adding with the PNG image. So here, just go option here. Done. Publishing done. Okay. Post free ad. What's the main category? Education and learning. What's the subcategory? Coaching classes. Just scroll down. Now, what is that? Image. See this. Is it clear? We are counting for without image. It's clear? Without login, we can understand by the category and subcategory. Now check your mail. Just go to inbox. Check updates. I don't get any emails. So we will check. Go to category and subcategories. So my ad will be approved. Whenever click this link, they're going to wear my ad. They read my complete information. Look here. If you click this link, they're going to wear my website. This is going to wear my blog. So this classifier generating for the traffic for my website along with the keywords. So classify complete promote by based on by keywords only. Keyword nothing but digital marketing training or Selenium training, maybe any services. You can promote with using with the classifieds. Few classes will be with the login. Few will be without login. If anyone promote for how to promote my website content, one is called classified, second thing is articles. You get the article along with the classified also. But they're promoting for branding. You can search by view also. Is it clear? This is where you can promoting for the our content using with the classifieds. See here, just go to my blog scocz.blogspot.in. You can check the all classified link will be there here. These are the free links. Within a minute, you can submit all links here. Each classified you can promote the multiple countries. Each country is settled by the state. Is it clear? These are all classified. scocz.blogspot.in/p/classified.html. This is the URL.